Gotta look at the bigger picture. Because look, this happened. This is the big push. Indication, retracement, integration, correction, uh, indication, correction, consolidation, correction. So look, this is the big push. It pushed up here. Granted, you probably could have got some type of push like right here. Boom, boom, came up, boom. Probably got some type of push here. Then it sold back down. But as you can see, it's trending. It made it out here. Granted, you could have got somewhere like right here. This would have been like the super best entry right here. This probably would have been like the best entry in the world. That would have been the best entry in the world. Now, what can we see with this? I'll delete it. Mm, this shit look nasty, low key. Okay, breaks out. Boom. Breaks, retrace, go. That's it. That's like if you really think of the market so simple. Break, retrace. Break, retrace, go. Most likely it's gonna come back here though. It's gonna come back here. It's gonna come back here. So you could have bought right here. It comes up. So look, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, back in -4, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, you back at break even, 8 days, you're not 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It is confusing though. So that's just the overall picture. So we not been going, this is just the overall picture. We ain't even gonna go too deep though. Oh look, what the heck? We can even play. So it broke out of this already, and it so you see, boom, boom. every time. You see, every time it's simple. Every time, not really in no trades right now, but you just gotta let everything run up. And every time it's a strong indication, they usually always come back. Strong indication. Right, let's look at every time we could just draw a bunch of indications. All right, look. Even if it does come back up, let's just say let's just say it do come back up. Boom. See the strong drop. We would like it to come here. But if it don't, check this out. It would at least hit here. Granted, it is disgusting. Like it is very nasty. Like look how disgusting that is. Because it's not really a like it's gonna hit here. Because it's too strong of an indication to just drop and not come back up. Indication, strong indication, comes down a little bit, like strong indication, drops, probably do some type of thing. And look, and now, boom. It did hit here though. See, it did hit though. Now let's just keep looking for more indications. Wait on the next day, and look what happened. Even if it didn't, like, look, breaks. So say you go out like right here, you come right here. It worked, but a strong indication. Did come back here. Look at the indication. Even though it sold off, came back, sold off, came back. Nice sales here. Boom. I wouldn't like this sell too much. That's a nice one though. I don't think it hits though. Oh, it does. So something like this would have been good. But you want to follow the trend. Like you see how we tried to buy, it's not really so we could just say sell. So boom, sell. Let's see what it does. All right, you see the strong indication that it broke out at strong indication. Let's see if we get one push. Let's go to 1 hour. It's really still a strong indication. Then you probably just forget about it. Because you ain't even see nothing. That's what? Yeah, it never broke. Like it never switched over. It just kept dropping. And then when it dropped, came up, drop, came back up. This is the only break you get for the day. And it never really showed sell momentum. So let's see another indication. So we go into the next day. You see indication that it's dropping. Indication that it's dropping. So say if you do want to follow the trend, or just wait till it come back at a good retracement. Sometimes it don't come back. Like sometimes you'll want price to come back around here where it broke out at. But sometimes it don't do that. So we go to the next day. Let's see it move in an upwards momentum. It's not really moving upwards. And granted, you probably don't even want to take this. But say if you do take this, let's just say you do take it. Don't even put nothing there you wouldn't want to take. You see, I wouldn't want to take it. See the upwards momentum. Now I see upwards. I like how it's moving. Moving nice. Boom. I still don't really like it. We're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna wait. You see? It's not really breaking. It's not breaking. Boom, it breaks. Not we can't it ain't the best break, but let's just say short. Come right here. Push it down back to here. So this will happen. And then boom. It did push down though. You see, it did. I'm not saying it's gonna work. It works majority of the time though. Now let's go to the next day. Boom. Okay, so the indication is telling me it's upwards now. Let's even look at 4 hour. But it could be a strong 4 hour indication. Like you see how it just broke out. It was doing this jump. Now it's going up. You see how it's going up. So now we're gonna look at it. Sell, or to keep dropping. Let it drop. We'll let it drop again. Now it's looking iffy. Now you see what it's doing. It's drop. See the indication. Just wait. Still a good indication. But it is nasty indications. Like the indications, they ain't very that strong. The market is kind of indecisive, as you can see. See a strong indication, strong. It comes down a little bit. You see, because that was a super strong. Like, look how strong this indication is. I don't look how strong this indication was. That's a strong indication. It's just going up. Like this is a strong indication. So when it comes down, boom, and it's still not like reverting to no sales. Like this is the most you probably get. Come here, boom, here at most, but strong indications. GJ. You see how choppy this shit looks though? Like look how it looks right here. Indication comes down. Maybe buy right here if you lose. Indication buy. Indication buy. Indication buy. Indication. Would you do an indication and retrace for GJ? Like, okay, indication and retrace. It kind of did come back up though. Retracement candle didn't break. Yeah. You see how it's just boom, 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 boom. Oh, this is a good buy because look at the indication. As long as you want to keep going up, like you see how it just keep going up. Don't do not sell without the trend. You see how you just if you just wait, look, there's so much times you could got in or GJ. Because if you just wait for the indication and just let it just retrace, like granted, you can sell, you can do that, but if you see the trend going up, don't like fight against it. Some days you might not trade, but you want the best shot and you want to pass and you want to make money. Or the best way I could do it, if you just want to invest 30 for 5 6 months, do that. But if you want to like swing trade, which I believe in swing trading, some days I just don't see nothing. But if I see an indication and it could come back to previous price, not breaking lows, it's so easy to come. Indication, it comes back. You could probably enter somewhere around here. It's not the best entry. I'm not gonna lie to you. Probably don't, then you probably just miss it. But you can enter off this. It's just another indication. Indication doesn't break any lows or is barely breaking lows. It goes back up to the price without breaking this. Look, it barely breaks. So you probably enter somewhere around here. Boom, boom, another indication. Boom, and it still comes back up to here. Boom. Indication, not breaking, not breaking. Even if it breaks, boom, it comes here, it doesn't come back. Indication, boom, go. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, go. I don't know. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, probably never even enter. Indication comes down, go. Don't even look for sales. Don't even look for sales. No strong indications. No, some days you just don't have strong indications. Or we're no, no. All right, look at this. This is all right. It's probably just in a nasty range. You have to look at the market like, all right, why are you not getting? Why not get? Because it's probably just in a nasty range. You just look at the market for what it is. Boom. I still don't like how. I don't like this indication. Granted, it does work. It works to the T too. Indication comes down, go. Look how much it works. I don't like it. Indication, indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, go. Indication doesn't come. Might have like this. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down. This yeah. Here's all I'll take. You might lose this one if you want to call out an indication. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, go. Indication comes down, go. Go. Indication comes down, comes up. Indication lose. Indication comes down, go. But it's in sell territory. So like now you see the market just selling. It's just selling. Now we back on bonds. Indication comes down, comes here. You probably lose. Go. Indication comes down, comes down, come down. Let's see. We gotta look at this indication. Indication, because this indication looks tricky. Let's go. No. I want to see shells. Oh. Boom. There's really okay. Let's see. I don't see any buying power. Uh, it's not really good. Good buying, but I wouldn't buy there. Like you, yeah, I just don't like this buy. But you have to find the indications. You have to just follow the market. Don't try to trade. Don't try to over. If you just can't, if you just trying, don't go what the market is giving you. If it's in an upward trend and it's a higher probability it's going up, don't force a sell. It doesn't make sense. That's why 95% of people fail. Because some days you're not even supposed to trade. Even just try to find the best possible outcome. If the best possible outcome say, hey, the market consistently goes up, it could be 3 days. I might not trade it. I'm not saying you can't trade sales, but if you want the best probability, I say wait for the indication, come down and give and go. Give and go like CP3. And that's what I would say. Don't be dumb. Don't be a moron and try to sell. Just follow the trend. Look how much it indicates and come down and go. Just follow the trend. Use your brain cells. Don't have a 70 IQ. Simple. And that's all I got for the stream today, man. 37. That's all I got.